Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Chat app and sign out everywhere. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Google Chat app, start by locating the app on your device. If you're using an Android device, open your app drawer to. Once you see the app icon, press and hold it until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the menu options. Confirm the action when prompted to remove the app from your device. If you're using an iPhone, find the Google Chat app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it begins to wiggle. Tap the small X or Remove App option that appears. Confirm that you want to delete the app. Now that the app is uninstalled, it's time to sign out from Google Chat on all devices. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your profile picture to open account details. Then, select Manage your Google account. In the account settings, look for the Security tab on the left side. Scroll down to find the Your Devices section. Click on Manage Devices to see all devices signed into your Google account. Identify the devices you want to sign out from and click on each one. Look for the option to sign out or remove access. Confirm the action for each device you wish to sign out. After signing out from all devices, make sure to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This ensures that any session data from Google Chat is also removed. You have now successfully uninstalled the Google Chat app and signed out everywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.